Hi friends, this is your tarot reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to speak about June 2021 predictions, monthly predictions, sun sign based predictions, and we are going to see what is in cards for you. So before we start the video, I would like to request you all to like my YouTube channel, to subscribe it and press the bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. Friends, I have also launched a new brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is an integrated destiny management solution brand which talks about multiple astro streams like astrology, numerology, palmistry, vastu, crystal therapy, aromatherapy, mantra therapy, then color therapy, and multiple other combinations of these streams. So do explore the services under that brand, because it is also extensive services that we offer and a very scientific services that we offer under that brand. We are present on Instagram, on Facebook group, as well as YouTube. And for Astro Vruksh, we are also present on LinkedIn, especially for the corporate audience over there. So do follow us, do like us, subscribe us, share your comments, share your inputs about the readings, about the services that we offer. So without wasting too much of time, let's quickly jump to your reading for June 2021. Let's see what... Hi Taurians, let's see what's in cards for you for the month of June 2021. We start with the 5th chakra energy, which is Archangel Gabriel. This card is suggesting that in the coming month, you will have to take care of your communication. If you communicate well, most of your problems could be solved. So whenever you feel that there is something that you need any help or guidance in terms of communication, just connect with Archangel Gabriel. He'll be able to help you and guide you through the intuitive powers to control and manage your communication well. So right communication at right place with right people can really create a magic for you in the coming month. Coming to relationship, we can see 4 of cups in the reverse position. So somewhere you were having a relationship at hand, but you were eyeing on to something which you never had access for, because of which you were feeling sad, stressed and exhausted. But now in the coming month, you seem to be getting realistic, trying to explore the relationship at hand. But over here, as I can see, that the message for you is too much of stress, exhaustion, mind getting cluttered and stressed. So whatever you have at hand also doesn't seem to be keeping you happy, making you happy. In fact, it is still making you stress, giving you stress and a lot of exhaustion mentally and physically. So here I would say just wait and watch. Just keep yourself away from any kind of relationship commitments that could help you to heal, that could help you to settle down, that could help you to make your decisions over the period. Don't jump into any relationship decision, whether exploring a current marriage or exploring your new relationship, whether exploring a relationship with other people like your parents, kids or friends or colleagues. Whatever relationship is bothering you right now while taking this reading, just give that relationship and yourself time and space. Don't take any hasty decisions, because whatever the case, this relationship is still looking like stressing you over the period. So take your time to heal yourself and to forgive people, because forgiveness is the energy, chakra energy card, which is suggesting somewhere you're not able to forgive people, forgive relationships, because of which you are not able to accept the healing of it, and it is further stressing you. So give your time to heal, give your time to forgive, and things will shape up over the period. Coming month is going to be a little heavy on relationships. Coming to your career, the moon card in the upright position is suggesting lot of stress, lot of politics, lot of duality, people going against you, people trying to trick you into something which you are not comfortable. So overall, it is going to be a little dicey time in terms of career. Here you have to use your maturity and to keep yourself away from something which is not right for you, which is not comfortable for you from your career growth perspective, whether it is job, whether it is business, whether it is education. Keep yourself away from unnecessary politics, gossips, keep yourself away from unnecessary legal issues or unnecessary documentation, signing and all those things. Things might not go in your favor. Coming to your finances, we can see Ace of Cups in the reverse. This card is very strongly suggesting your finances are not in shape. They are getting drained for some reason. Maybe it's just a bad time. Try to think beyond illusion. Try to think, and this drainage could be because of the people you are associated with, who are maybe not guiding you rightly, because of the intuitive decisions which you took in past, which were maybe not the right decisions. So here the advice for you is, try to think beyond what is shown to you. You might see a very different picture. Try to be getting to the deeper reality than just the periphery of it, and in time you will be able to understand what decisions to take. Coming to your health, we can see Page of Cups in the upright position. So you will be taking care of health. You will be guided by the right practitioner. It might not be a very big hospital or a very big healer or a doctor, but yes, a decent person who is genuinely interested to heal you will be helping you out. Emotionally, you will be taken care of. Psychologically, you will be taken care of. Your intuitive skills might develop if you focus on developing it during this time. The creativity is at its peak. The sacral chakra energy is supporting you. Angels are asking you to focus on sacral chakra, to focus on creativity, to focus in handling your health and overall life, to focus on handling your spiritual energy and enhancing your vibrations to the level that whatever negativity you are surrounded with, you will be able to tackle it. So meditate, focus on your sacral chakra. Try to use more of orange, more of yellow, green in your life, more of blue when you're communicating with people, more of green when you are connecting with your relationships, more of orange, more of red, brownish orange kind of energy, which will help you to enhance your creative thinking and help you to bring about some solutions to your problems. So overall, you will be able to tackle your month. It is going to be a tough time for sure, but you will be able to manage it well by wisdom and by your maturity. I really hope this reading helps you guys, Taurians. Very good luck to all of you. Friends, I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. In case if you are looking for a personal appointment, you can connect with me on my email ID or on my mobile number. You can follow me or put me a message on Facebook, Instagram. I'm very much accessible over there. You can also put me a email if you want to, if you have any query or a detailed query. Don't mention your personal query on YouTube channel to retain your privacy. Do share my videos with your friends and family so that more and more people can see it and get the benefit out of the free general readings and the pick a card readings that I keep on releasing every month. Also, put a comment, do share your input and feedback and suggestion on the videos so that I keep on improvising and helping you with what you need in terms of reading. I hope this reading helps you guys. Very good luck to all of you. Stay safe, stay secure during this tough time.